Hello, dear friends. My name is Yuri. Today we will speak about major instruments and what we could do the next. Before we start this overview, just push like, subscribe on my TradingView page and YouTube channel because believe me, there will be a lot of interesting stuff about Bitcoin. Friends, few days ago, I've sent an idea that Bitcoin will drop down from this sell zone and take a look what happened. As you see, happened exactly as we told before because price cannot just grow without any good pullback. About Bitcoin below this key level, and I still think price will continue drop, and first goal for the drop will be 9,000, and after that price can drop even into this cells into this key zone. First goal will be here, and second goal will be here. Because as I told before, Bitcoin grow up from 3,200 to 14,000, nearly 14,000, and it is more than 400%, friends, 400% growth. After that, always price do some pullback because price cannot just grow without any pullback. That's why you can open some short nearly this key level and hold it till this area or even till this area. About buy, it's not good to speak about buy because we need to see how price will react on this area. Will the pullback stop? Go. Okay, let's go to gold. Gold. Friends, as I spoke before, yesterday I have sent a sell signal on gold for all members as I promised. You can check this idea here on TradingView. Yesterday I wrote that gold will drop down, and I still think that gold will continue drop down because as you see what happened yesterday, price broke down this triangle, made first wave down, and now there could be a second wave down. Price everything stopped because price, as you see, bounced from this key level, and now as you see, gold looks, every candle is black. Gold looks like it will drop down. About sell, it's hard to open sell from this point because it is not proper place. I opened sell yesterday at 1412 and hold till now. If you hold sell from my signal, it's good to hold. About open here, it is not proper place because stop loss will be too big. Friends, push like and subscribe on my YouTube channel because believe me, there will be far more interesting ideas. Go ahead, go to oil. Let's go to oil. About oil. Yes, oil. I missed oil because yesterday oil, uh, as you see, oil made effect breakout. A few days ago, oil made effect breakout, and this accumulation. Take a look. Price broke up key level, accumulate new position, made a bullish trap, and after that drop down, and here we had mirror level. At this moment, we have a chance that oil will make a pullback. If that will happen, we will have a new sell entry because now it looks like in midterm oil will hit this area in term of few days or something like that. That's why, friends, if oil once more will make a deep pullback, open sell to continue down drop. And also, friends, few words about Euro USD and British pound. Euro USD looks bearish at this moment, and don't think to open buy at this moment, because take a look on this pullback. Many candles which might pull back, but drop really powerful. I think it will continue. What we will need to do first, you should take a look how price will react on this key level. If there will be some pullback, you will be able to open buy. If there will be fake breakout, if not, if price will break it down, fix below, it will be sell signal that price will continue down drop. The same situation on British pound. British pound came into this really bullish area, as you see price close to this key level and to this key level, but it still looks bearish like euro. As you see, powerful drop, pullback, drop. The same what we will need to do here. See how the price will react on this level. If there will be fake breakout, we will open powerful buy. If not, better to stay away. Okay. Um, and also take a look where that level starts. Better to build this level, as you see, from which price started all this uprise. It is, how much is it? It is 1.2385, or not. 1.2368. It's next key level. Okay, friends, push like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me on TradingView. Below this video, I will send a video about my products, about my VIP signal service, about education, about account management with protection. You'll be able to check our products. In that videos, I showed a proof and how it works. Just scroll below if you watch this video on YouTube. Have a great day. Bye.